Well, second time around, I was able to get into this overlook, and man, it is just beautiful here at Garden of the Gods. I'm going to zoom in to the actual garden area down there, and what I'm doing is just trying to hit a couple of the highlights on the perimeter drive, and then I'm going to actually go and park and do some hiking through there. And as you keep coming over towards the left, got this great big old rock here, and it just keeps on rolling. Amazing. Alrighty, so got to the first parking lot here that I wanted to check out, and looks like this is going to be $1 million view. Take a look on in through here, and this takes you right down into the Garden of the Gods. Good Lord in heaven above, look at this. You can look on through and just see all the formations. Down into the park here, and we got a little sign here kind of tell us what's available. I think what I'm going to do is the loop that covers most everything. Take a little bit of time, but I got water. I'm ready. Well, let's go ahead and jump on the trail here. Man, this is so beautiful. Good heavens. Hello. Okay, let's jump back on here, and we're getting ready to walk through just one unbelievable view. Man, look at this. I gotta stop and pan up. Quite an amazing view, to say the least. Golly day, who would ever imagine this? Look up there on the top of this one. I'm going to zoom in a little bit.
Yeah, buddy.
Incredible formations. Go back out, and then over to this one. And then on we go. Got a huge plaque up there given to the city of Colorado Springs in 1909 by the children of Charles Eliot Perkins. Wow. Okay, on we go here. I am right now at the turning point where I turn to go on to another trail. But I thought what I would do is walk around this formation here. It's almost like the centerpiece of this trail. Let's have a look at it. As we look beyond, see another formation. That one on the very end, boy, it looks like that wouldn't take a whole lot for it to break off. I like your shirt. I have a friend that has the same shirt. If you don't mind, I'm going to just walk right on by here.
Go right on it. Thank you.
Excuse me. We're coming around the back of this. Oh, what a beautiful, beautiful view. Here's yet one more view. We got this great big old towering formation here. Sort of tapers down. And of course got the screaming kid in the background. What's a video without that, right? Let's go on down the trail. Okay, wandering on deeper into the Garden of the Gods here. Gonna try and make this loop all the way around. Oh, there's a hawk up there. Let me zoom in. It's a red tail. It's a red tailed hawk up there.
Yes.
Scream a little louder, lady. Not everybody can hear you. Oh, look at that hawk. What it's all about. Okay, so found a little side trail here. I believe this is going to be a doozy here. Take a look at this rock. It's real narrow, yet very tall. Man, let's walk on in through here, have a look. Oh man, look at this. Wow. This is the side of that big narrow rock. You can see in the distance that's Pikes Peak. And then I'm going to make a good video down here in this little canyon. Had to do a scramble coming across the rocks to get through there, but it really wasn't that bad. I figure if I can do it, most anybody could. But this is right about in the thick of it all. Unbelievable. Well, let's have a look at some more. We got a pretty big, tall formation there. I love this green area. One big difference I see between here and southern Utah is mostly desert. But man, out here, There's a lot of green. Beautiful trees, grass. Just an incredible place. Okay, so we're going to start working our way back, and I love this area here. This is kind of like a little intersection. A couple of trails split off and go in different directions. What we're going to do on this one, we're going to go on the other side of the rock, and then we'll circle back towards the parking lot. I just love how these formations are just so huge and towering. That mountain over there almost looks like there's a dog's head on top of it or something. Pretty interesting. Man, look at that. Wow. Okay, so that pretty much covers Garden of the Gods, and we're heading on up to the parking area. If you look way up there, you can see the overlook. And I'm parked right on the other side. So let's head back, and what a trip this was.